YouTube. Today we will do an unboxing of a timepiece. Here, just arrived at my doorstep, and it came all the way from China. I was excited when I ordered this thing, and hopefully it's not gonna disappoint me. Let's see what's in here. And what you see in here is this 1963 Seagull watch. Let's see what's came with it. Obviously in Chinese, explanations on how to operate this thing, we know that, and 12 months warranty. Okay, better than nothing. It says genuine leather strap. It's quite supple, that's nice, and it has, as you can see, the pins incorporated there. That's very nice. Okay, what else is here? Oh, look at this. So you remove it like this, and then the timepiece itself. There's nothing else in here, and it came on this kind of a nylon strap. Which we would need to undo somehow. I don't even know how to undo this thing. Just remove it over the top, perhaps, or just cut it. There you go. And here is the timepiece. I like it. I like what I see. This strap could be better, obviously, but it's not too bad. Nicely done. I will use either this leather strap, or I also purchased a couple of other things for this particular watch. It's this Hadley Romer bracelet, which should fit 18 millimeters lug width here, and another strap which I think should be better for this particular watch and dial color. What do you think? I think it'll be better. Okay, let's see what and how it works. It's a mechanical watch, obviously, hand winding mechanical watch with the column bill. Look at the back of this thing. I think it's absolutely amazing, don't you think? This movement here, it's a column bill chronograph. There are a lot of videos on YouTube that explain how it works. It just came from outside, and it's quite cold outside, so we have a bit of a perspiration here. Okay, let's wind it. Oh my god, it's very nice winding action. And the seconds hand at 9 o'clock position started moving, and so is the balance wheel. I don't know about you, but I really like the way this movement looks like. Seagull 1963 movement. And now we will test the chronograph. There you go. It moves quite nicely. A bit of a glare, as you can see. Then we can stop, and it sprints back to 12 because it's a mechanical chronograph. Okay, so that's what it is. I really like what I see. I will do a proper review of this watch after, but so far I'm really liking what I see here. And now let me put it on one of those leather straps and I'll demonstrate it to you, okay? Here it is on the leather strap that I bought specifically for this watch. I think it complements the dial quite nicely and it goes nicely with it. Let me put it on my wrist. By the way, a bit of a wrist check here. I'm wearing Tissot 1853 today. And on the other hand, I'm wearing this Acribos skeletonized watch. You can see the review of this watch in my archives. That is a good strap. I like it. What do you think? About the watch and the strap? I think it's pretty nice. I'll show you the other strap as well. Here it is. Here is the strap that came with this watch. Besides this nylon one, I don't think I will be wearing this one. It's quite plasticky. But this one is not bad at all. Not bad. Let me put it on my wrist. Sorry, I'm doing that in front of the camera, and there you go. It's quite oh, what did I do? There you go. Here it is. Here is the watch on the other strap. What do you think? I think it's absolutely lovely. I like it. Okay, that will be it for now, and I'll do the proper review a little bit later, okay? Thanks.